The solder mask is a protective layer that covers the surface of the copper trace, and it is relatively thin, so it has less impact on the overall thickness of the PCB, but it should not be ignored. The thickness of the solder mask should be 0.8 mils, about 20 microns, or more to ensure adequate protection. However, if the solder mask is too thick, it may lead to reduced pad gap, affecting the soldering accuracy of small component and increasing the risk of soldering defect. Therefore, the specific thickness should be weighed according to factors such as PCB application scenarios, component density, and manufacturing process. What other factors do you think affect the thickness of PCBs? Leave your comments in the comments section.